Hello everyone, my name is Karan and welcome back to my channel. Today's videos is going to be about all the non-legal roles in the law firms. You must have thought that all the law firms only hire lawyers, which is not correct. So I have gathered a list of 160 plus law firms which are hiring hundreds of non-legal roles such as within administration, within HR, within marketing, within IT, data analyst and all sort of roles. So we are going to go through the list and I will show you how you can apply for these roles and I hope you can secure yourself an interview. Most of these jobs are not on LinkedIn, Indeed, Read, CV Library, etc. on all these major job websites. So this is a really good thing about these. You will have less competition and let's crack on. So you need to visit my website, which is karansachdeva.com. I have also added the link in the description and you can also see in the screen. So once you are on my website, you need to click on this link, which is 160 law firms hiring for 100 of non-legal roles. And we are going to click on this link now. Once you are on this link, you will find the list of all the jobs that are hiring within law firm and all the non-legal roles, right, basically. So once you are on this page and for example, if you are in the UK on dependent visa or any other visa and you can work full time, you don't have any restrictions, then it is really important to get UK exposure. So if you look at some of the jobs within administration or assistant, for example, let's look at assistant jobs. So these jobs are basically anybody can do it. You don't need a specific degree for that. So if you type assistant over here, and we will see the roles related to Stone King LLP's hiring for HR assistant and digital PR assistant role. So get if you want to apply these roles, we need to click on Stone King LLP, the name of the law firm. We are gonna open it on another tab, and we will see some of the roles they are hiring. For example, there you go, digital and internal PR assistant, digital and internal PR executive. So these are the roles, digital executive marketing. So these are the roles that are not on all the major job portals, and there are some of these jobs are obviously they have internal recruitment agencies, so you can directly apply these jobs. And I have also mentioned LinkedIn URL of the company's law firms, so you can start building connections with the people that are hiring for this role. And you can see a lot of roles like within finance, within credit control assistant, marketing assistant, business support assistant. So these are the roles. If you start with assistant, then there is a lot of internal progression. So these are the roles that are really will give you a UK exposure. And not all, but many of these law firms have tier 2 sponsorship license also, so you can also have a progression of getting a sponsorship and get settled in the UK as well. So we are going to look at some other roles, for example, marketing within, sorry about that. So if we type marketing over here, we can see marketing and business development administration, marketing assistant, digital marketing executive, marketing assistant. So if you look at this one, marketing assistant, and the name of the law firm is Simons and Burton. Sorry, I can't even pronounce it the right way. And if we look at here, we can see that they are hiring for marketing assistant over here. And if we check this role, and we can see the reportings and reporting too. So these are the people that you need to report to. Find these people on LinkedIn and start having and build connections with them. And let's see if they need a particular experience. So what they need is strong organizational and time management skill, ability to multitask. So there is no particular experience they need. So you don't need 1 year or 6 months experience for these types of role. If you are a fresher, if you don't have any relevant experience in the UK or in back home India or Pakistan also, then you can apply for these roles and get and start working there. You can apply and get interviews and start working there. So let's take another example, and we can see we have already checked administration assistant roles, marketing roles. Let's take another example for IT related roles. So I'm going to type IT and support. So here we can see all the roles related to IT, which one of these law firms are hiring. So for example, IT support assistant, this law firm is hiring, and we can check. So if you are from an IT background, and even if you are not, but if you want to work in IT background, then you can start from these roles like IT support assistant. There is a huge demand over here. If you get 1 year or 2 year experience, then you can go for senior IT support analyst, then second line support engineer also. So if you look at this law firm and see, they are hiring for IT support assistant in Northampton, and let's see if they need any experience or not. So they need experience. Help desk experience is essential, it's not mandatory. So they don't need any like hardcore experience over here. You just need to have a proper basic IT skills, which is good, and you can crack on. So this is how you can find these jobs over here, and check all these jobs and which one is relevant to you, which one you want to go into. And I've also added some of the descriptions over here regarding IT, HR, marketing, what types of roles they are and what type of how they can help you. So definitely, once you apply for these roles, you can follow these companies on LinkedIn and start building connection with them. Even if you are not looking for a role right now, but you should follow them on LinkedIn. And because when you build connection with the people or within the HR department or with the internal recruiter of that particular law firm, and you already know them, and you don't need to like cold messaging them if you are not applying for a role, but just like and comment their post and share your thoughts if you have any relevant thoughts. So that's how you can start build connection with them, and that this will give you more chances of getting an interview earlier than a random person who they don't know at all. So this is how you can apply for these jobs. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want more of these helpful videos. Thank you.